Hi, this is John with Bank Account Bonus Central, and today's video is all about M1 Finance. So as a customer of M1 Finance, I'm wanting to provide you a brokerage review, a review of what I absolutely love about M1 Finance as a customer. And I've also wanted to announce something I'm super excited about is I have just partnered up with M1 Finance, and I'm wanting to introduce to you the brand new $150 brokerage account bonus. This is for new customers, people who are opening up their first account with M1 Finance. This is a nationwide offer offered open to all 50 states of the United States. So I absolutely love M1 Finance. Super excited about this. I've been telling y'all that things are brewing behind the scenes, and this is one of the things that I'm super excited about. So let's take a look at this offer first. So welcome to the Super Finance Super app. Get up to $150 to your new M1 Invest account. We're rolling the green carpet out just for you. Sign up and make a deposit within 14 days to get a big cash reward to welcome you. So this is super awesome. This bonus is in 3 different tiers. So make a deposit, get a bonus. Deposit $1,000 or more within 2 weeks of opening your new M1 Invest account and get a cash bonus between $30 to $150 to that account. That is it. Easy as pie. Consider it our welcome gift to you. Keep an eye out for your bonus payout on January 31, 2022. I absolutely love when credit cards, bank accounts, checking accounts, credit unions, brokerages, when they say, hey, this is the exact date you're going to get paid. So you can hold them to that, and they are an awesome company. All right, so the first size is if you put in between $1,000 and $4,999.99, you're going to get $30. The second level is $5,000 to $9,999. You get $75. $10,000 plus is $150. You may say, hey, $30 is not that much. If you stay tuned to the end of this video, you're going to look at that $30, and it is the same as 6% APY because you're not keeping it that long. So I'm going to show you the exact math later on this video, but it's really exciting. $30 is, as I said, you're not holding it there that long to catch the bonus. All right, so what makes M1 Finance special? Fewer fees. Because every dollar you don't pay in management fees is one that you can invest in yourself. I mean, what's the point of paying fees to other people when you can just invest that? Smarter tools, because your time is as valuable as your money. You make the choices that are right for you. We handle the rest. M1 Finance is the best research tools, bar none. I'm going to show you what I love about M1 Finance. Wiser strategies, because we believe that building long-term wealth isn't achieved by day trading or neglected retirement accounts. This is true. This is not a day trading account by any stretch of the imagination. So there's either 1 or 2 trading windows open per day, depending on how you're set up with them. Your tools for growth. You can invest, which is flexible, customized, automated. It's your money, intelligently invested the way you want for free. That's awesome. They do have a borrow account where you can borrow money at like between 2% and 3.5%. They have a checking account, the best of digital banking, seamlessly integrated with your investments, and powered to make every cent you work hard for you. They also have a new credit card that has up to 10% cash back. I did one review about the credit card when it first came out, and the offers weren't that exciting, to be honest. I have no problem saying things. It wasn't just me that wasn't too excited when they first came out, and they came back and they boosted up a whole lot of 10% offers. So when people speak, they listen. If you have any suggestions, I email back and forth with M1 on a frequent basis. Anything you want me to share with them, you can either email me at churningadventures@gmail.com, or you can hit it in the comments. What do you like about M1? What do you don't like? What do you wish they would change? I got no problem talking to them. All right, so M1 Plus, they're offering, it is the first year free. It's $125 value. It gives you extra perks, discounts. There's no catch. Only takes a moment to sign up. The first year is free, so you got nothing to lose by trying it out. 2% loans through M1 Borrow. That's like the cheapest amount you can borrow money at. Smart transfers, where basically you set up different rules how you want your money invested, and it automatically does it for you. Custodial accounts, if you want to start building long-term wealth for your children. 2 trade windows if you do the M1 Plus. They have an 8:30 in the morning, and then I believe it's 2 in the afternoon. So that's pretty cool. 1% APY checking. That's not bad. 1% cashback on qualifying debit card purchases. That's not bad at all either. Send physical checks without ever touching a pen. That's a pretty cool feature. And new credit card rewards that pay you back between 1.5% to 10% on different purchases. I'll make a separate video on the credit card because that's going to be a lot more detailed. So account protection with peace of mind. SIPC securities and M1 Invest are insured up to $500,000 by SIPC. FDIC, M1 Spend checking accounts are insured up to $250,000, and we're technology first that utilizes the latest in information security. Recognized and celebrated hundreds of thousands of investors, 35,000 5-star reviews, including myself. Best for sophisticated investors by Investopedia, Money, Yahoo, best free trading platform 2021. The Ascent, best for investing and banking in one. So that's really cool. This is what their app looks like. And then I'm going to switch right now to a different mode. And I'm going to show you what I absolutely love about M1 Finance. All right, so this is the M1 app. We're looking on M1, looking at the research. So research, you have market news. You have all sorts of news to give you an idea of what the Wall Street, what the markets are going through right now. Prices, we went up, we went down about 5%. Now we're looking at earnings, right? So I like looking at these articles and then stocks. There are 3 different ways to research stocks. You got market capitalization. You want to look at the biggest ones. Your market cap, Apple, there's a huge one. Microsoft, Google, Alphabet, Amazon, huge stocks, right? The names you know. So you want to look from the, if you want to look for small companies, you want to look at big companies, PE ratios, the price to earnings ratios. So the whole point of buying stocks is to purchase some of their profits. You get some of those profits back either in the form of gains or in the form of dividends. And the third way to research is through dividends. Personally, we've been hitting all-time highs, going a little bit down, hitting all-time highs, going a little bit down. So I don't think we're going to go much higher for a little while. So I'm all about dividend yields. So you can look at, for example, like 9% dividend yields. And this is a phenomenal way to find all sorts of stocks. You can look up their PE ratio. So how many years, based upon their earnings, will it take to justify the price of the stock? This one's 11.5, 7.2, 4.5. So, I mean, this is a absolutely phenomenal way to be able to research stocks. This one, 12.36%, 11.5, 16.32%, 13.96 for Shell. This was natural gas. I've been looking at this one. A lot of phenomenal offers up here, paying over 9%. You can pick, if you want to be a little more choosy, pick 10%. Right? I understand that the higher the dividend, the more risk, but you definitely want to do your research, and you can look into different ones. One of my personal favorites is ORC. This is how I found the stock. They're paying 14.43% right now. And you can look at where it's at right now, the dividend yield, 1 day, 5 days, 1 month, 3 months, how often they pay. They pay out each month, 6 months, 1 year. What I happen to like about this stock is if you look a year ago, it's $5.19. It went up a little bit, went down. Now it's at $5.02. It hasn't gone that much, but it pays over 14, 15%. I mean, that to me looks reasonable. I mean, that's where you have the big dip right here. And then, but there is, and then if you're looking at different stocks, they have all sorts of articles. What's going on with different stocks. Absolutely love. You can spend a lot of time and gain a lot of knowledge about what some of your stocks are, whether you're looking for the SSSS. This one's paying 21.43% dividend. I mean, that's ginormous. It all depends on your risk tolerance and what you're looking for. LNG Partners right here, HMLP, 25.01%. That is a huge dividend yield. I'm not saying it's all about dividend here. I mean, ultimately, stocks, it's all about your risk tolerance, your time frame, and stuff like that. But it's just one of the ways I absolutely love using M1 Finance to research stocks. So now let's look at the math, and then let's look at one final thing. All right, so let's look at the math for these 3 tiers of bonuses. So right now, as I'm recording this, this is October 14th. You got 2 weeks to basically put in your money. So let's call it you put in your money November 1, you get paid out January 31. That is exactly 3 months. So $30 divided by $1,000, that's 3%. But only for 3 months. So if you multiply that out by 4, that's 12% APY. That is huge. All right, so the second tier is $75 for putting in $5,000, but you only have to keep the $5,000 in there for 3 months. So that's 1.5% times 4. That's 6% APY. If you put in $150 for $10,000, that's 1% APY. That's also 6% APY. So no matter which tier you're putting in, you're getting minimal 6% APY equivalent. So that is huge. If you like the what M1 has to offer, keep your money in there and watch it grow. I mean, that's the whole point of investing. I'm a huge fan of M1 Finance. So bank account bonus central verdict. M1 Finance is a great investment brokerage. I highly recommend them. And they're the best for researching investments. I mean, I have accounts also with Vanguard, Fidelity, All of Us, Tastyworks, and probably a few others. But none of them hold a candle to SoFi Invest. None of them hold a candle to being able to research investments like M1 does. They are top notch. So if you've never opened up an M1 Finance account, definitely take advantage of the sign-up bonus. My referral link is in the description box and in the first comment down below. So this is one of the many videos coming up for M1 Finance. Absolutely love what they have going on. And with that, I'm going to ask you to do 3 things. Number 1, smash like if you enjoy profitable content like this on a daily basis. Number 2, share this with anybody who is looking to make money off of a brokerage account and have one of the best, if not the best, research accounts for brokerage and how to find the best stocks. And then number 3, if you haven't done so already, please smash that subscribe button with the bell notification. I'm only asking for about 10 to 15 minutes of your time every day so I can teach you how to turn the bank's money and the brokerage's money into your money. And with that, look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Peace and God bless you.